From News Channel 7, time for 7 First Alert weather.
Well, to start out, of course, a beautiful afternoon. If you haven't heard, 67 was the high this afternoon. Yes, well, it's up there, wasn't it? And it was pretty close to a record of 68, but not quite, but very, very close. 61, that's the temperature if you look at the forecast for tomorrow, so we'll still be above 60s, but expect the temperatures to start dropping as you notice next week. We still have some 50s, though. You see, they're still pretty mild, and they're closer to normal instead of so well above normal. Concern some of the melting of the snow in the mountains. I've got this for you, the 10-day or 7-day forecast for the mountains. Tomorrow's still pretty warm, and so are the lows. They're pretty close to about freezing in the morning. But finally, as you get into about Saturday, you see they get down into the 20s. Here's 18 for Sunday morning, Monday at 14. Keep in mind these high temperatures will only be for just a few hours in the afternoon. Most of the time it'll be below freezing then, and getting those temperatures and keeping the snow that we have, what snow we have in place. Well, speaking of snow, if you look here, we have high clouds that are moving through the area. I showed you this map a while ago. Most of the showers are along the Willamette Valley. They're moving into portions of Washington as well as northern Idaho. So streamlining ahead of this is that warmer air from the southwest. That's why we got so warm today. Then when you look over here, this area right in this spot shows the colder air coming down. That's coming in behind this storm system as it pushes through. Let me show you the future cast as to what we expect. So here's tonight. So we still have clouds around. Temperatures pretty mild. Here's into tomorrow. Now, by the time we get into Friday, this is Friday at 10 o'clock in the morning, there are a few showers that come in, but it's not really big, and they're coming up out of the southwest with those warmer temperatures. Now, eventually, the temperature is going to be dropping, but if you look here further to the southwest for Saturday morning, there's some snow showers around. We could even see a little mixture of some rain and snow along the foothills once again. It doesn't look like it's anything really, really heavy. I'll show you the amount of precipitation that's expected. If you look ahead here, this is in the form of rain. You'll see the amounts down here in the valley locations. Yeah, generally less than 1/10 of an inch, maybe a little more for Mountain Home, still fairly light for Twin Falls. And that's what's taking place through the day Friday, as well as counting some of that snow coming down into early Saturday morning. So there's not a lot left out of that storm system. So we've got one more day where you see temperatures like this. It's close to 60 tomorrow in Twin. As you look at Sun Valley, it's 48. 45 for Fairfield. Over here in the western mountains, temperature tonight 28, 45 for the high in McCall. Cascade tomorrow gets up to 48 degrees. Valley locations, many of these highs are right around 60 degrees as you see. Caldwell, Nampa, Boise tomorrow at 63. So we're going to come down about 4 or 5 degrees for the high temperature, but we still have those temperatures in the 60s. So you see this for tomorrow, and then that cool down that I was talking about. As you get into Friday, it's 51. Saturday is 49. Lows are just above freezing. Monday morning, we could be down to about a 29. Here's where it dries out into Sunday, and actually dries out into Saturday for what light rain showers that we do get. And as you look here across the map into Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, dry conditions, lows about freezing, but we still have some of those daytime highs that will be up around 52, 53 degrees. Well, enjoy the weather. We're going to be back with more news in just a moment.